What's the meaning of colonialism? Colonialism. Colonialism.
Colonialism. Colonialism. Colonialism refers to the practice of a nation extending its political and economic control over other territories, often for the purpose of exploiting resources and establishing trade. The result of colonialism is often marked by the subjugation and displacement of indigenous populations, exploitation of resources, cultural erasure, and economic inequality. Colonizers typically use military force and political control to maintain their authority over the colonized population, leading to ongoing conflict and resistance throughout history. The legacy of colonialism can still be seen in many aspects of global politics, economics, and culture today.